Is there a typical, this is D Doodle says, galleries, is there a typical cost or percentage rate that an artist incurs to use a gallery in their services? So generally the standard is 50-50 split. So if a gallery sells a piece of work, you get 50% and they get 50%. And if you're not aware of how much it costs to run a gallery, that might seem like a steep, but it's really expensive, because to be a good gallery, you have to be in the high rent areas. So we're talking about they have to cover tens of thousands of dollars every month just to pay their rent. And then they have, you know, staff, they have all their costs, marketing costs, you know, materials, things like that. It is expensive, and they have to, you know, present the space and the work in a really nice way. They can't just slap it on there and expect to get, you know, good prices. So they have to have a nice desk and nice furniture and, you know, just a well-appointed space so that it attracts the clients who have the money to buy art at a higher price range. So anyway, that 50-50, it might seem a lot to you, but you have to remember that some artists will sell nothing. So let's just say their rent is $20,000 a month, and they show this art for a whole month, and they make $0 off of it. You know, so they're taking a lot of risk there when they take on new artists. Anyway, so that's the traditional commercial gallery formula, is the 50-50. Then there are artist cooperative galleries if you're interested in something a little different model, and a lot of those are popping up where, and you can start your own. You know, you find 12 or so artists, 12, 15, maybe more artists who want to start a gallery, and then you share costs of renting the space, and everyone gets a show at a certain interval, and you cover the cost together, and you all volunteer to like run it and do the press releases and the emails and the art openings and all that, and everyone pitches in, and then they're guaranteed a show every year or two. So that's a beautiful model, and again, that's that sense of community there that you create by coming together to support not only your work but other people's work.